Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are making some traditional vegetables, managu vegetables. Yani leo tunapika managu. First, I'm going to add some oil. You'll need enough oil depending on the amount of your managu. In my basin, I have a mixture of managu and terere that cost me 80 shillings. I washed them before I chopped them. After the onions are golden brown, I'm going to add my vegetables bit by bit. I'm doing this step so that it can absorb the oil and so it doesn't turn brown. I know you know what I mean. If you want to make a delicious managu dish, you don't have to boil the vegetables well. Just take your time and fry it well. If you boil them, zitakuwa kama panadol, and we don't want that. Our managu vegetables are ready. You can serve them with some ugali or you can serve them as a side dish. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos. See you in my next video. Bye.